Madam Speaker, I rise to present the budget for 2018-19. Madam, 4 years ago, we pledged to the people of India to give this nation an honest, clean and transparent government. We promised a leadership capable of taking difficult decisions and restoring a strong performance of Indian economy. We promised to reduce poverty, expedite infrastructure creation and build a strong, confident and a new India. When our government took over, India was considered a part of Fragile 5, a nation suffering from policy paralysis and corruption. We have decisively reversed this. The government, led by Prime Minister, has successfully implemented a series of fundamental structural reforms. With the result, India stands out among the fastest growing economies of the world. The journey of economic reforms during the past few years has been challenging but rewarding. As a result of the reforms undertaken by the government, foreign direct investment has gone up. Measures taken by the government have made it much easier to do business in India. Natural resources are now allocated in a transparent and honest manner. There is a premium on honesty. There was a time when corruption was commonplace. Today, our people, especially our youths, are curious to lead their lives honestly. The indirect tax system, with introduction of goods and services tax, has been made simpler. Benefits to the poor have been targeted more effectively with use of digital technology. The demonetization of high value currency has reduced the quantum of cash currency and circulation in India. It has increased the taxation based and greater digitalization of economy. The Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code has changed the lender-debtor relationship. The recapitalized banks will now have greater ability to support growth. All these structural reforms in the medium and long run will help Indian economy achieve a stronger growth for a long time. Indian economy has performed very well since our government took over in May 2014. India achieved an average growth of 7.5% in first 3 years of our government. Indian economy is now $2.5 trillion economy, seventh largest in the world. India is expected to become the fifth largest economy very soon. On purchasing power parity basis, we are already the third largest economy. Indian society, polity and economy had shown remarkable resilience in adjusting with the structural reforms in the country.